Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're checking out the Miele Triflex HX1 Plus Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, a product that brings a whole new level of flexibility and power to your cleaning routine. Designed for convenience, this sleek Obsidian black and red model promises the versatility of a cordless design with the deep cleaning power of a full-sized vacuum. But does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Miele Triflex HX1 Plus features a patented 3-in-1 design, offering you 3 different configurations depending on your needs. In comfort mode, you get a traditional upright vacuum, perfect for larger cleaning jobs. Switch to reach mode, and you've got a longer wand that makes it easier to tackle high or hard-to-reach places. The compact mode turns the vacuum into a lightweight, handheld device for smaller tasks or quick spot cleaning. Whether you're dealing with pet hair on the couch, dust in tight corners, or large floor spaces, this vacuum is adaptable. Suction power is one of the most critical factors when choosing a vacuum, and the Triflex HX1 doesn't disappoint. With its impressive 120 air watts, you can be sure it will handle everything from dust to heavier debris, even on thicker carpets. The Multi Floor XXL electrobrush is built to automatically adjust its suction based on the surface you're cleaning, ensuring that your hardwood floors or carpets both get the right amount of power for a thorough clean. One standout feature is the battery life. The Miele Triflex HX1 Plus runs up to 60 minutes on a single charge, depending on your power setting. That's ideal for those with larger homes or for cleaning multiple areas in one go. And when the battery finally runs low, the replaceable Varta Li-ion battery allows you to swap it out for an extra one if needed. You'll never be left stranded mid-cleaning. The vacuum also comes with a range of useful accessories, including a wall bracket for storage, a SPD-20 upholstery nozzle for fabrics and soft surfaces, and a crevice nozzle for those tight spaces. Whether you're cleaning car interiors, upholstery, or stairs, these attachments provide versatility. Speaking of flexibility, the Triflex's ability to easily transition between modes means that no area of your home is off limits. The real key to this vacuum, though, is its filtration. The Triflex HX1 Plus uses a lifetime HEPA filter, which captures 99.999% of fine dust, allergens, and even viruses. For allergy sufferers or homes with pets, this feature is a game changer. You're not just picking up dirt, you're ensuring that it's not circulating back into the air. Plus, with the maintenance-free design, you won't need to worry about changing the filter for the life of the vacuum. So how does it perform in real-world situations? In my testing, the Miele Triflex HX1 Plus did a great job on both carpets and hard floors. It had no issues picking up pet hair, dust, and crumbs, even from deep pile carpets. The automatic floor detection is a real plus. It adjusts suction power as you move from one surface to another, which prevents you from overdoing it on delicate floors or underpowered carpets. When it comes to stairs and upholstery, the included attachments were easy to use and effective. The upholstery nozzle is perfect for cleaning pet hair off furniture, while the crevice tool helps you reach those spots between cushions or along edges. As for under furniture cleaning, the Triflex's flexibility comes into play again. You can switch to the compact mode, and its low profile easily slides under most furniture, picking up dirt without having to lift anything. One downside, however, is the noise. While it's not exactly loud, the Triflex HX1 does emit a noticeable hum, especially on higher power settings. It's not the quietest vacuum around, but it's certainly not a deal breaker unless you're sensitive to noise. The other potential issue is the weight. While it's relatively light for an upright vacuum, it can feel a bit heavy when you're using it as a handheld for extended periods. But that's really just a minor inconvenience given its versatility. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Miele Triflex HX1 Plus isn't the cheapest cordless vacuum on the market, but its performance, build quality, and flexibility make it worth the price for those who want a truly versatile and reliable vacuum. When compared to other vacuums in the same category, such as the Dyson V15 Detect or the Shark IZ462H Vertex, the Triflex HX1 Plus stands out with its unique 3-in-1 design and longer runtime. While some of those competitors might offer slightly stronger suction or different features, the Triflex HX1's ability to adapt to different situations is what really sets it apart. In terms of build quality, Miele's reputation shines through. The vacuum feels solid and the materials used are sturdy without being overly heavy. It's clear that this is a product designed to last, and that's reflected in its premium price point. The maintenance is straightforward too, with easy-to-empty bins and a washable filter that requires no ongoing replacement. Long-term reliability should be good, as Miele's vacuums are known for their longevity. Customer support from Miele is also highly regarded, with a solid reputation for helpfulness and quick responses. If you ever run into an issue, you can expect good after-sales service to help get things sorted. In conclusion, the Miele Triflex HX1 Plus cordless stick vacuum cleaner offers an impressive combination of flexibility, power, and convenience. With strong suction, long battery life, and excellent filtration, it's perfect for allergy sufferers, pet owners, and anyone looking for a versatile vacuum that can tackle multiple surfaces with ease. The extra-wide electrobrush and automatic floor detection add an extra layer of sophistication to the clean, while the 3-in-1 design lets you switch modes to meet any cleaning challenge. It's a fantastic option for those willing to invest in a high-quality, adaptable vacuum. If you're in the market for a cordless vacuum that truly delivers on its promises, the Miele Triflex HX1 Plus is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab your own can be found in the comments box. If you have any questions or already own this vacuum, feel free to drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Until next time, clean well and keep your spaces fresh.